Okay, lesson 7-3, multiplying mixed numbers. You guys had 1 through 10 and 19 through 21. I'm going to start out with the odd numbers. Nope, I'm going to do the even numbers. Still want you to do them all, but I think you need to work some of these on your own, and we'll check them tomorrow in class. So I'm going to start out with number 2, which is 2 1/2 times 3/5. Again, just like we talked about in class, you've got to change these mixed numbers to improper fractions. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 would be 5 seconds or 5 halves, or just 5 over 2, times 3/5. Diagonally, we can't reduce anything. Oh, yes, we can. 5 and 5. 5 turns into 1, because 5 goes into itself one time, and 5 goes into itself one time. Anytime you see two numbers diagonally across a multiplication, we can always reduce those to 1s. Now multiply straight across. 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 1 is 2. This is an improper fraction. Again, hopefully you wouldn't have to do the division here, because you know that 2 goes into 3 one time with 1 left over, and denominator stays the same. Okay? Number 4. 6 1/5 times 1/2. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 1 is 31 over 5 times 1 over 2. Cannot cross reduce 31 and 2, can't reduce 1 and 5, so we multiply straight across, which is 31 times 1 is 31, 5 times 2 is 10. Again, I still think we should be able to do this in our head. 10 goes into 31 3 times, which is 30, with 1 left over. 3 and 1, 10. If you're still having difficulty with it, go ahead and divide. Remember, top number in the house. 10 into 31. There's 3 times. 10 times 3 is 30. Leaves 1 left over. Remember, here's your whole number. Your new numerator and the denominator stays the same. Okay, here we go. Number 6. 5/7 times 4 1/5. Let's turn this mixed number into an improper fraction. Go ahead and bring your 5/7 down. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21 over 5. Okay? I can cross-reduce both ways. 5 goes into itself once. 5 goes into itself once. 7 goes into itself one time. 7 goes into 21 3 times. Look how we shorten this problem. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 over 1 is equal to 3. Number 8. 1 3/8 times 2 2/7. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11 over 8. Again, we're changing these mixed numbers to improper fractions. 7 times 2 would be 14, plus 2 is 16 over 7. Can't cross reduce 11 and 7, but I can 8 and 16. They both have a common factor of 8. 8 goes into itself one time. 8 goes into 16 twice. 11 times 2 is 22. 1 times 7 is 7. Again, divide. 7 goes into 22 3 times, with 1 left over. Number 10. 3 1/3 times 2 1/4. Again, change these mixed numbers to improper fractions. 3 times 3. Let me go ahead and show you the loop again. Just if you're struggling with it, we go 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 1 is 10 over 3, times 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 1, which is 9 over 4. Check to see if I can cross reduce. 10 and 4 I can with a common factor of 2. 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 goes into 10 5 times. I can also cross reduce my 3 and 9. Common factor of 3. 3 goes into itself 1 time. 3 goes into 9 3 times. Now I can multiply straight across. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times 2 is 2. Again, should be able to divide. 2 goes into 15 7 times, which is 14, so that leaves 1 left over, and our denominator stays the same. Okay? You also had 19 through 21. We'll look at number 19. The directions for this part says, for exercise 19 through 24, evaluate each expression if R equals 1 2/3, S equals 2 1/5, and T equals 3/4. Well, for 19, it just says 4T. Remember, you know that anytime there's not a mathematical symbol between a number and a letter, or a letter and a letter, it automatically means to do multiplication. So all this means is 4 times T. Now, in our instructions, we find out that T is equal to 3/4. So all we have to do is plug in 3/4 where there is a T. 4 times 3/4. I have a whole number here, so I have to put it over 1. 4 over 1 times 3 over 4. Cross reduce our 4's. 4 goes into itself once. 4 into itself once. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 over 1 is equal to 3. Okay, I'll let you try the odd problems and number 20 and 21 on your own. Problem 21 is uploaded in a video also. There's 2 parts to it. Got a couple guests in there if you'd like to check it out.